Hi, may pa-surprise tayo kay Papa. Yan. Pagdating niya, ibibigay natin sa kanya. Surprise ni Ebiel.
What's the surprise of Ebiel?
Over there.
Oh, what's that?
My baby has a surprise for you. Our baby Ebiel.
Thank you. And what's this, anak? Huh?
You open, Papa. What do you think? What is that?
I don't know.
You don't have any
I
idea?
have no idea.
Oh, you're gonna love it. You put it down.
What's this,
And you're
anak?
going to open, Papa.
Oh, you have a surprise, huh?
Papa, you're gonna love it. What is that, Papa? You like it, Papa? Papa would like it?
Like? What's this, anak?
What?
Okay.
What was that, Papa?
Wow!
Papa will gonna love it.
I love you, anak ko. Yes!
Papa love it, anak? You like it? Wow!
Anak ko.
Papa is very happy.
Wow!
Papa will gonna sing for you. Yay!
Yay! What's this, anak ko? Ha? Look at the mundo.
See, anak? Papa is very happy.
Ha?
Papa is very happy. Papa is very happy.
Ikaw pinag-ulit, anak ko? Ha?
Secret, Papa. It's 3 days ago.
Opo! Yes! Ben?
The mic
Oh,
na.
dapat na. Opo! Malat mo! Video ka doon. Ebriel! Malat mo!
Wow.
Wow! It's beautiful!
Cutie.
Small, affordable.
We can bring it to anywhere.
Yeah. We can sing na, anak, okay?
Karaoke.
First open.
Oh, at the back, Papa. On. Mo pa i-charge mo pa sa rito. I think you need to. Okay na. Nag-open na. Wow!
Yes!
At the cord na dito. Pakita ang cord na.
Yeah, there's a charger cord.
Yeah.
USB. Ay, hindi. Type-C.
Pretty.
Malat mo!
Can you try it on your phone?
You have a secret, anak, ha?
Siyempre, Papa.
Ha?
We want you to be happy, Papa. Brudo.
Love it. Thank you, Mama.
You like it, Papa?
Thank you, Biel. Thank you, anak ko. Thank you.
Love you, Papa. What would you say to Papa, no?
Praise.
Ba't ako na?
Praise.
Wow! Amazing!
Ariel. How are you, anak?
Nice!
Good? Huh? You love it? Ariel. What can you say, anak? Sing na.
You like it, Papa? Nagunin ko na ko.
Gundi ka na, anak ko.
Speak. Hi! Hello!
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, Papa.
Thank you, Ariel. Thank you, anak ko.
You like it, Papa?
Yeah, I love it. Thank you.
Cute.
May pasurpas pa kayong nalalaman, ha?
Oh, wow! Papa
But it's good. I love
has
it.
his
Yeah.
favorite karaoke speaker.
Ang puso. Praise.
Mayat.
Ariel.
Mayat. Nalinis eh.
Yes, it's good.
Nalinis.
Ikaw.
Hanga mo na ba narbar? Mayat. Amazing.
Amazing, it's good. Thank you, Lord.